Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are selling on Shopify and want to offer your customers a faster, smoother checkout experience, you are going to love ShopPay. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to enable and use ShopPay, explain how it works, and share why it's a game changer for your store. First of all, let's quickly understand what ShopPay is. ShopPay is Shopify's accelerated checkout. It lets your customers save their shipping and payment information for one-click checkout on any Shopify store that supports it. Benefits: super fast checkout, higher conversion rates, even installment options for some products. So let's see how to activate it. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left hand side, click Settings, then choose Payments option from here. Under Shopify Payments, click Manage. It's look like that. If you are US, if you are inside US, then scroll down to the section called Accelerate Checkout. You will see a checkbox for Shop Pay. Make sure it's checked. Then scroll down and click Save, and that's it. Shop Pay is now activate on your store. Or you can add Shop Pay apps from App section, then click Apps and Sell Channel Settings, then Shopify App Store. Now search for Shop Pay and install the app. But this app isn't compatible with my store. So now let's talk about what your customers will see. When ShopPay is active, customers on your product or checkout page will see an extra button that says Buy with ShopPay. If they have used ShopPay before, they can log in with just a code sent to their phone. No need to re-enter address or card details. It's like magic, and it helps reduce cart abandonment. If you are based in the US and meet Shopify's criteria, you can also enable ShopPay installments. This allows eligible customers to pay in 4 interest-free payments or longer financing options. To check if you qualify, go to Settings, then Payments, now Manage. Look for the installments section under ShopPay. Enable it if it's available. This can boost your average order value by making higher ticket items more affordable. You can also customize how ShopPay appears in your store. Edit the button text or style using your theme settings, add trust badges or small icons below the Add to Cart button to highlight fast checkout with ShopPay. If you use product pages with blocks, you can insert ShopPay badges manually. Now let's talk about ShopPay pros and cons. Faster checkout. ShopPay stores customer information securely, enable, enabling one-click checkout for returning users, reducing cart abandonment, higher conversion rates. Stores using ShopPay often see better conversion rates, especially on mobile. Installment payments. Eligible customers can pay in 4 interest-free installments, helping increase average order value. Trusted brand customers recognize the Purple Shop Pay button and trust it, especially those familiar with Shopify. Eco-friendly. Shopify offsets carbon emissions from deliveries made through ShopPay. Secure and PCI compliant. ShopPay uses advanced encryption and SMS verification to keep customer data safe. Now across store convenience. Once a user saves information with ShopPay, they can use it on any Shopify store that supports it. Functionless, frictionless shopping across brands. Now Now Shopify cons only works on Shopify stores. Unlike PayPal or Apple Pay, ShopPay is limited to Shopify's ecosystem. Installments limited to US merchants. ShopPay installments aren't available in all countries or for all product types. Might confuse first-time customers. Some shoppers unfamiliar with ShopPay might hesitate or be unsure about what it is. So that's how you enable and use Shopify in your Shopify store. By turning it on, you are giving your customers a super fast, trusted checkout experience that can increase your conversion rates. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more e-commerce tips. Let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on ShopPay installments or how to customize the ShopPay button on your product pages. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.